Alright, what I got for you guys today is how to make a baking soda and vinegar airsoft grenade. Alright, so hang on. Alright, so first you're going to take your baking soda, take your food wrap, place it down. Just like that. Okay? Next, you want to take your baking soda and fill it up on the center. Just like that. That might be a little too much, but that's okay. Then you just kind of want to fold it up like this, so that it looks like that. Now, next, you want about this much vinegar. I used apple, but any kind works just as well. Next, if you want to put airsoft BBs in, you can make an airsoft grenade. It's pretty simple. You take your BBs and you just dump them in. You can put as much as you want in, doesn't matter. I put around 60 in, make a good grenade. Maybe even 100. So I put in about that much BBs. Then what you do next is you take your bag and stick it into the top. So yeah, we have too much baking soda, so we'll put some of it out. There. Alright, sorry about that. We had too much baking soda. Alright, so now it should look like this. There's your grenades. That's how much vinegar. And there's your baking soda. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to take your cap. And you want to put it on just like that. Alright, so then you shake it up. Just like this. It's getting pretty hard. So now what you want to do is just start. Alright, I don't know if you can see that. But it looks like it's gonna explode. So we're gonna pick it up. And there you go. That was your airsoft grenade. Now it hit that, and you can see there's BBs everywhere. So it was a pretty big grenade. They go all the way up onto this rock. They're all over here. And they still go as we keep on walking. Alright, so, if you ask me, that was a, ooh, dang. That was a big grenade, and, if you want to see what it should look like, when you're done, this would be a great example. That right there is my bottle. That is my bottle, completely, blown up. Yeah, I don't know. Actually, I don't know if this was the paper, if it's the bottle. But if it's the bottle, or the paper, the bottle just completely, exploded and is gone. So, alright. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll show you a bit more later, alright? Thanks.